Yeah.
Don't worry. Bring me into your life and see what I have in store for you.
Really?
Yep. I help solve all your problems.
Okay.
Hey, Mark.
Oh, look. It's Jesse. What does he want? Money? He already owes you money.
Yes?
Hey, I was wondering if I could borrow some cash?
What happened to the money you already owed me?
Yeah, I'll just pay it back tomorrow. This will be the last time, I promise.
I promise? How many times have you said I promised to you before? Too many times.
Is something wrong?
Nothing. Yeah, I have some money here.
Sweet, thanks, you're the best.
Why'd you do that? Did you see him just snicker away? He was basically lying to you. Don't you just hate his guts?
Hey.
Here comes the Christian girl.
Where were you yesterday?
At home?
You know, you missed a lot of good stuff at Fellowship yesterday. We did John 8:36. We did so many activities and so
Look
much.
at her. She's so happy. She has so many friends. Aren't you just a little bit jealous of her? Don't you hate those that are better than you?
And I was just wondering if you wanted to come over.
No! I don't want to go.
Are you sure?
Bye.
Okay.
Yes, bye. John 8:36. So the Son sets you free, then you will be free indeed.
Mark, this is not who you are.
What?
No, just ignore that.
You are free from these chains. Why do you continue to act as though your actions are controlled?
What? What is this?
Hey, you wanted this. The others, they don't know what you want. That voice, what does he know?
I know that you're strong enough to take your own steps.
Shut up!
Stop it!
Don't believe the lies that tell you you are alone and controlled by sin. Seek me with all of your heart, and I will be there, Mark.
I know. I've heard this all before. It's just...
Then lay all of your trust in me, and you will be free.
Then show me! Free me!
You are already free, Mark.